what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So actually I just got out of work and right now I'm gonna go look for like the little, because I haven't installed the corner pieces, because on the OBS for the corner pieces you didn't install the back parts, but my other girl didn't have the corner pieces, so that's why I don't have them. But we're going to a store here in the corner of my house that they sell parts. Let's see if they have it, because we're gonna go wash it right now and then we're gonna take it to Juice Porting. He's here in LA. He sent me an address. He's gonna install the catch can, and then today is Thursday, so I don't know, we have time. We'll probably go to Irwindale to go look at some cars, race burnouts, or we'll see if we race the truck. I don't really want to race it because it needs it's leaking oil from the I believe it's an oil pan. But I already made an appointment with Junior's Performance over there in Riverside, I believe. I made an appointment with him. I'm gonna take him the truck so he could get that fixed, and then we'll be all good. But we'll see. So I'm pulling up right now, and hopefully they have them. So right here, when you pull up, you have to pull up to the back. Spark right here, and they have a lot of parts like your grills, bumpers, stuff like that. So let's go check it out. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 1994 Silverado with the 6.0 480. Some stuff done up there, but we're gonna get it down because we're gonna go wash it. It is on needle on Race Stars. It's actually hooked. Like I said, we're gonna get that done right now. That is my Instagram, so you guys can follow my Instagram. Really appreciate that. And there's still a lot of stuff that goes to get done, so let's get started, guys. I couldn't find the corners for these, so I'm gonna have to go to the junkyards to try to find them. But let's get started, guys. So we are gonna take it to Juice Porting, like I said at the beginning of the video. We're gonna go wash it. We're gonna take it to Juice Porting so you can install the catch can. Let me start it up for you guys, so you guys can hear a cold start. So yeah guys, let me show you guys the catch can. There's the catch can. So it finally has a catch can. So yeah guys, I was gonna port the throttle body and the intake manifold, but there's no point because I'm gonna get the LSX, I believe, intake manifold, and then I'm gonna port that one. So there's no point in doing this one and then doing the other one. I'll just wait till the other one get I ordered the other one, and then we'll do all that. I don't think I'm gonna end up going to Irwin though today, just because it is leaking oil. I don't want to mess it up more, so we'll wait to get that fixed, and then we'll hit Irwindale again. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any rims for sale, 5x5s that fit, I want to take these off already. Hit me up on my Instagram so I can check them out. That's my Instagram right there. And yeah, guys, thanks. Hopefully, you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel. We're almost to 800. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate that. And more content. Tomorrow there's a meet also, so we'll probably be hitting that in the night. And then, yeah, stay tuned for that video.